Hi, welcome to Drive with Care, another night drive. I've had another request. Keep them coming. I enjoy these requests. I'll put it on the screen. It's words to the effect, could you do a night drive in Dungeness because it's all lit up? Sorry, poster of comment. I know it's something like you can see it on the screen. I'm not quite sure how this drive will pan out because the whole drive to Dungeness is in darkness, but it's worth a shot. We'll start at the Pilot. Is it the Pilot Inn or the Pilot Restaurant or the Pilot Pub? It's just the Pilot, isn't it? It's just called the Pilot. I cannot imagine for an instant that we're going to have any hazards. Because this channel, Drive with Care, is all about hazard perception, right? But, you get the requests in, so let's do it. Let's go left at the junction up here. The sign is telling me there's a junction, and I know because I'm turning into it. National speed limit applies. However, driving into the Dungeness estate, I believe it's speed controlled. Yes, 20 miles an hour. You might catch a glimpse of the power station. If it goes up, we'll be vaporised in an instant, so it won't matter, will it? Although the new budget, by the time I'm recording this, they're sanctioning nuclear power as a clean or safe energy, aren't they? So there you go. I'll have to keep my wits about me in terms of hazard perception, simply because there's no street lights, so if there are any pedestrians about, I'll soon enough know it, won't I? You can't actually see, the camera can't pick it up until I'm facing head on to it. But I will do soon enough. Soft verge. I'm driving on the soft verge now. This might actually be a short video. Is my camera picking up the lighthouse up ahead? I can actually hear the wind noise because it's, what do they call it? Britain's only desert. Not actually a desert, but it doesn't have the precipitation of the rainfall to qualify, or the lack of, because it does rain here. Deserts don't have rain, right? Look at that lighthouse all lit up. Now you should see the power station up ahead. We'll park the car park by the old station and take it in for a moment. Normally on my drives, what do? I start and stop, but what I might do is drive back out again just to make the video more than 5 minutes. And I'll tell you what, the angle from the road doesn't give you the kind of the illuminations. You get them from way down there. caution sight traffic. If you don't behave yourself, sight traffic, that's caution, isn't it? Let's go around this little funky roundabout, shall we? Because it's a dead end that way. Dungeness Power Station. (24/7), right? 365. So there's always someone working there. And back out again. Certainly not a challenging drive. Where is that other road? Here it is. I didn't indicate because there's nobody about. The Britannia. Whoa, look at all that mist coming in. There's that mist coming in off the sea. Why is the pub not open? Thursday night. Well, what am I saying? Move along here, nothing to see. Move along. I will upload the video. I was thinking I wouldn't, halfway through the drive I was thinking there doesn't actually seem to be a lot to take on board in terms of driving, giving you hints, tips, things to look out for. But it adds to another video to the channel, so why not? Car reversing out. Whoa, a hazard. You shouldn't be reversing out onto a main road. I think that's in the highway code. If it is, I'll put it on the screen. Level crossing ahead. Romney Hythe and Dymchurch Railway, the miniature railway. Definitely not going to expect a train. Give way ahead. So we're out of the private land, and although it said 20 miles an hour and you adhere to that, I have a funny feeling that it's not public highway because it's private land. So rules of the road aren't enforced, right? Back into the pilot. We'll drive in and conclude the video. Blind bend. A hazard. And there was a car coming just as I turned. And we're back where we started. How long was that? 10 minutes? 11 minutes? Not bad. No hazards and not a lot to see other than headlights. But it's a request, and I like requests, so keep them coming, and I'll see what I can do. In the meantime, bye for now. Drive with care.